Hello guys, so for today's video, we're going to review this Web3 mobile game Pump Snake. But before that, let me remind you that this is not a financial advice. This is for entertainment and review purposes only, so always do your own research before doing anything else. So without further ado, let's get into it. Before we get started guys, I'm going to share you this CD key that you can use to get some resources free here in Pump Snake guys. Alright guys, so this is the Pump Snake. So the question is, how can you earn on this Web3 game? So there's a free room that you can play here, but you can only get 0.03 U guys, okay? So and then we have this DEX room that you can choose from. We have SPCX to USDC and SNK to USDC guys, and BNB to USDC. Okay, to join here, you need a U points. For example, I will go here at SPCX guys. And let's try to have or to play here guys. But you need 0.184 U points to join here. Okay, let's just join here guys. So lucky slots. So let's try our luck. So we got the Ragdoll 007. Okay, VIP slot, all players position, and a magnet guys. So right now yan, the purpose of this game is to get as many token as you can guys. Okay, your snake will become bigger as you eat those on the side guys.
A few moments later.
Okay guys, so we got a wreck, but we get times 110 unit price. Okay. Okay guys, so the match is finished and we can claim 0.033. So we got wreck on that room guys. Okay, you can watch ad to boost your reward up to 300% guys. And also guys, don't forget to connect or bind your wallet. So let's connect your wallet to get started guys. So for this tutorial, just use MetaMask guys. So let's connect this one. Bind wallet. Okay, and confirm. Okay, so now our wallet has been connected. So you can cash out your 10 U points, guys. So you can see your 10 U points here. So let's try to... And then we have a service fee of 0.20 U point, guys. So we're going to withdraw this 10 U points. So just confirm this one. So your request is under processing. The status could be found in Pump Snake game itself, guys. Okay, so let's go back on the Pump Snake and let's see if the process has been success. So guys, in-game, so withdraw request process on chain transaction sent. So let's confirm this one and let's see if the process has been successful guys. Okay, let's see on the history. So withdraw cash 10U has been completed guys instantly. Okay, so let's go back on the website and let's check on our wallet if it's successful guys. Okay, so they send a BNB token worth of 9.80 USD guys, because there is a 0.20 fee on withdrawing funds. Okay, so I think this is exact, so it's good they send a BNB so you don't need to get gas fee to send these funds to any exchange guys. Okay, so that's good. And also guys, you can see my code here. So partners program. So this is my code. You can enter your friend's code here. Your commission guys. Okay, you can invite your friend to use your CD key, top matters, and partner rules. And then if you need to top up some U points guys, it's also available here. So the minimum is 0.7 or 0.99 USD guys. And also they have this first purchase bonus guys. Okay, so first purchase bonus that you can avail if you join this Pump Snake guys. So again, this is Crypto Sane. Bye bye.